My dish soap is empty, and I'm going to show you how I make this Thieves dish soap last twice as long. Okay, so first I use this olive oil decanter I got at Home Goods, and I pour half of this Thieves dish soap into this container. It's super concentrated, and it's free of SLS, dyes, formaldehyde, phosphates, and synthetic perfume. It's completely plant-based. So I'm gonna get that going, and I will show you what I do next. So because this soap is free of SLS, that is the chemical that makes soap foam. And a lot of us are led to believe that we need to see bubbles and lots of them to make sure that our dishes are getting clean. That is not the case. But one thing I do with this soap to make it feel like it has more bubbles is I take hot water, and this is how I dilute it. And then I add a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and the water needs to be hot, because you want that baking soda to completely dissolve. If you put it in cool water and pour it in, it's just gonna like sink to the bottom, and we want it to be completely diluted in there and dissolved before we add it to that dish soap. But that is how I dilute it, and that is how I make it last twice as long, and I save the other half of the bottle for when I run out. So here's what it looks like after you add the water. I did add about 15 drops of grapefruit essential oil.